Okay, we are currently shooting the bedroom at night scene. I'll show you the setup. So we got the GH5 here all set up with the 30mm Sigma. So that's what the camera's seen, essentially. Got it all marked off. Got the door marked off. So inside we have this light just blasting through some blue tint. We have my B7Cs, all four of them, blasting at 100% in this Godox softbox with a blue tint. This is just 5600 right now, the Godox UL60. I can't really show you this, but outside we have the Godox UL150. It's blasting with a Fresnel lens, and it's acting like it's going through the shutters. It's like pretending to be a street light right now. And then on here, right on the top of, I have another B7C and one of those Home Depot clamps, and I decided to put a paper towel roll. I cut it in half, and just to kind of make like a snoot for it. And the whole point of that is to give me like an eye light. As you can see in my eyes, hopefully that will give me a bit of an eye light. If we block out these two, then you should still see it in my eye, that like little glint. Also right here, I got my little Hurricane Hazer. This is brand new. For the entire film, I've just been kind of using a fog machine and then, you know, just kind of fanning it out. But this has actually been working so much better. I've done a few tests with it. So we're just heating this up. We're just gonna fill this room full of haze. See how that looks. But so far, I love this thing. Honestly, awesome purchase. Kind of the cheapest hazer you can get, but well worth it. Oh, it's feeding. It's feeding, that's a good sign. We like feeding. Oh, she's a blowing. Oh, she's a blowing. Oh, we got haze. Oh, daddy, we have haze. That's it. I blew my load. Oh my god, I can't even be like mature director for 2 seconds. There we go. Oh. 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 Okay, mini disaster just happened, but maybe prevented. Something just happened that shut down shooting for the time being. One of the lights in the Godox with the bulbs inside, you can see they're numbered. I suddenly noticed that it shifted by, like, I could tell that I was laying in bed between takes, and I noticed that one of the lights flicked off, but I looked around and all the lights were on, so I was like, that's weird. But I remembered that there's like 4 lights in here, so I was like, oh, did one of them flick off? So I stopped everything, checked inside, and the one at the top, number 5, flicked off. And I went, oh, that's weird. And I reached inside to go grab it, and it was burning hot. So, there's number 5. Although I should stick the rest of them in the fridge too, because I'm pretty sure they're all equally just as hot. But that's exciting. I almost caused a house fire. Yeah, I can feel it through the glove. These are all insanely hot. Man, oh man, oh man. Some scary stuff, but you know what? I think these are built pretty well, because despite the fact that they are quite literally oven hot, they're still functioning. I checked. I think the only reason the light turned off was because it overheated, and I mean, rightly so. It's about as hot as an actual hot potato, straight out of the oven. So, yeah. Guys, I'm so excited. I wonder if the eggs have hatched. Let's go check it out. For God's sake. There they are. My beautiful bundle of eggs. My beautiful angels. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, wow, still hot to the touch. Especially fought. Wait. Yeah? Oh my. Oh, wait, actually, especially 2. The hell? The hell's wrong with 2? It's actually kind of funny because in the middle of shooting all this, a part of the reason why I was making this short film and I was featuring this light so heavily was because I was going to make a video on it in the future about how amazing the Aputure B7Cs are, and then if you can combine them, you basically have like a bicolored, infinity colored like light set, as long as you just slap like a cheap Godox softbox on it and stuff like that with the works. and I was gonna show and do a tutorial on how to make it, but now I'm gonna have to probably recommend that you don't blast them at 100% for hours on end, maybe. And make sure to ventilate them. Cause, I think it's also because it's summer. It's like high summer right now. And it's legitimately sweaty in this place right now. So maybe that is a factor. Who knows? Who knows? Okay, I got to, the lights, I got to hand it to Aputure because I put those lights back in after just sitting in the fridge for a little while and getting cool. And they 100% work again. I guess this is literally just a built-in feature that if they overheat, they will just turn off. So it's a good indicator that if any of them randomly shut off, to get them out, get them somewhere cool immediately. We're gonna do a quick test with these again. Let's see if these turn on as planned. That's 2. Let's check the other 2. There they go. They're all working. These are the kind of lights that you have to turn off constantly whilst using them, I think. I think that's the lesson learned here, is that when not currently using them, turn them off and let them cool, especially when they're stuck in a hot box like this, or a soft box. But it's essentially a hot box. I mean, like, look at it. All right, I almost just destroyed $400 worth of light bulbs, but it's all Gucci. Mang. Okay, so now we got the 85mm Sigma on there. It's looking pretty good. Quite zoomed in. It's hard to see, but I didn't have to move the camera at all. I just slapped we went from 30mm to 85mm and didn't have to change a thing. The framing's perfect. It's gonna be exactly where my face is gonna be. So that's gonna be cool. I like that it was just lined up like that perfectly. Look at that. Ooh, that's a nice lens. Ooh, that's a nice lens. It needs a fucking lens support because it's so goddamn heavy.